Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Two-day Don Bosco Global Youth Film Festival held. Director of Radio Salesian, Father C.M. Paul, reports.
For the first time, Salesians organized a global youth film festival featuring as many as 110 films out of 1,600 entries from 116 countries under 5 categories. The two-day event was held on 18th and 19th November with an award ceremony held on 19th November 2021 in Turin's Teatro Grande Valdoco. The festival, organized by Father Harris Pakum and Don Bosco Foundation in the World, was aimed at young people between the ages 15 and 30. The 5-language platform, English, Italian, Spanish, French and Portuguese, offered youth from Asia-Pacific region opportunity to make films on the theme Moved by Hope.
Salesian conducts online retreat for religious worldwide. Father Jerry from Dimapur province gives details.
Here is a simple, integrated and experiential way of praying by consecrated persons, which would have the power to transform lives. It is called tapping. For spiritual tapping, just follow these 7 steps: thanksgiving, adoration, pardon, praise, intercession, new life, and good action. The spiritual exercises, accessed anytime from anywhere, consist 16 sessions, including an inner healing session. All talks are based on the scripture, with a special focus on the meaning and the beauty of consecration. The 9th episode of the 6-day retreat will start on 22nd November and end on 27th November 2021. Register for free and get details at www.vmjerry.in.
Don Bosco Publishing House, Hyderabad presents Word with Us, Bible Diary 2022. Available in both popular and royal editions. Besides scripture readings for daily Eucharist, the diary contains liturgical information, insights from Saint of the Day, short and relevant reflections, prayers of the faithful for Sundays and solemnities. Ideal Christmas gift for family and friends. Order from sales@dbpublishinghouse.com or WhatsApp country code 91, mobile number 9390257614. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. South Asia Region Eco Team plans coordination to implement Laudato Si goals. Father Rico Perroyan reports from Chennai.
The Eco Team of Don Bosco Green Alliance in South Asia met on November 9, 2021 to share various eco practices initiated in their respective provinces. The team comprised of the green animators and province representatives who discussed the possible ways of effective communication and coordination among the members. Father Antonio Molavin, convener of Green Alliance from the Philippines, spoke in detail on Pope Francis' Laudato Si and its action plans. Ms. Lian D'Souza, Executive Secretary of Green Alliance, presented the Laudato Si action platform, explaining the 7 sectors of intervention and its 7 goals. The meeting ended pledging to take the green initiatives of the provinces to the next level, especially by registering schools, parishes and youth centers with the Laudato Si action platform. As of October 31st, 2021, Don Bosco Green Alliance has 489 member institutions belonging to the Salesian family from 79 countries.
Alumni initiate COVID-19 relief, distribute 1,500 food packages. Father Ekasitala Kulton from Bangkok, Thailand reports.
On 14th November 2021, the Salesian Confreres, Parents Teachers Association, and Past Pupils Association of Sang Thong Vitaya School, Songkhla, distributed 1,500 food bags to those affected by the COVID-19 pandemic within the area of Hat Yai City in Songkhla Province. This project was initiated and supported by the Past Pupils Association under the leadership of Mr. Pudit Pong Acha, the president of the association. Every day, there are as many as 8,000 to 9,000 newly affected cases reported, mostly among the labor force doing construction work.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.